Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 2 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is subtraction, two digits. And here are the list of the lessons. The first lesson today we covered this is subtract multiples of 10. Subtract one digit number from two digit numbers without regrouping. Subtract a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping, okay? Subtract two two-digit numbers with regrouping and subtract two two-digit numbers without regrouping. Numbers without regrouping. Subtract a one-digit number I was just checking my mic. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that is provided by the administrator. Go to the subject app, select maths from there, and here you are going to the grade 2 maths. View all chapters. So here are the list of the chapters. So we are on subtraction two digits. Let's continue. So here are the list of the lessons. So let's get start the very first lesson, which is a subtract multiples of 10. So here is the subtraction, that is 30 minus 10. Okay. 30 minus 10. So how can we subtract? Look, this is 30, then minus, and then 10. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 out of 10. Draw 3 lines. How many lines you removed here? 1. So 1 line is removed. How many left? 1 and 2. So this is 2 here. We're gonna put it. Okay, so the answer is 20. Now 80 minus 60. You all also take out your notebook and pencils and then solve these questions over there, okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. What is the answer of 8 minus 6? Here you draw the 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now how many lines you remove? 6 lines. Let's remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines which is left? That is 1 and 2. So putting 2 here. And this is 20. That is your answer. Okay. Now for example, 80 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 here. That is 40. Okay. So now here I'm going to write a question, then you guys tell me the answer, okay? It's 90 minus 30. So everyone tell me the answer of this. Solve it together. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. Now what is the answer of 9 minus 3? Draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Remove 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 lines are removed. So now you guys count it and then tell me how many lines are left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So putting 6 here. Now 90 minus 50. Okay, so let's do this one. 0 minus 0 is 0. Let's subtract 9 out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove these 5 lines. Now how many are left? It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 here. Now let's do some test questions. So it's 80 minus 40. Let's solve it. So it's 80 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is 0. Draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So remove 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is 40. Okay. Let's check, is there any answer for 40? Yes, it's here. This is the right answer. 80 minus 60. So here we are going to put 80 minus 60. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These lines are removed. How many left? Only 2 lines are left. So this is 20. So we are going to put it here 20. 50 minus 30. 50 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now 3 lines are removed. 1, 2, and 3. How many lines are left? Only 2 lines are left. 1 and 2. So putting 2 here. That is 20. So this is our answer. This is the way that you are going to solve this subtraction. Okay, now solve the rest of the questions by yourself. Let's do the next lesson. So here is subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number without regrouping. So here is 28 minus 7. So if your question is like this way, 28 minus 7, you're putting 7 here. So start from the right side always. First of all, draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines you remove it? 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And how many lines are left? Only 1. So putting 1 here. Here is nothing. So it means that you are going to put 2 as it is. And this is your answer. So the next is 36 minus 4. So first of all, draw the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, because we are going to solve on this side. Okay, draw 6 lines, remove 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines are left? 2 lines. Putting 2 here, and here is the 3 which we are putting as it is. Now let's do the next. For example, if I'm going to put it here, 84 minus 3. Okay, now draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many lines you remove it? 3 lines you remove it. How many lines are left? Only 1. Putting 1 here and put this 8 as it is, and here is the 81 is your answer. This is the simple question. But if somehow, like for example, the question is basically like here it's 81 minus 3. So how can you solve it? Because 1 out of 3 is not possible. So what we do, we're just going to take borrow from this 8. Okay, when you are going to take some borrow from the 8, this 8 becomes 7, because 1 is moving here, 1 is moving here, and this 1 becomes 11. Okay, it's not become 2. You are not adding with it, you're just putting. For example, it's 2 here, then you are putting 1, then it becomes 12. So now 11 minus 3, what is the answer? Let's draw some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now remove 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. Let's count the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Putting 8 here. Okay, and here you're not putting 8, now you're putting 7. So putting 7 here, that is 78 is your answer. All right, let's do the next. For example, if I'm going to put it here, 52 minus 6. How can you solve it? Everyone tell me the answer in the chat. Very good. Do it fast. Everyone tell me the answer in the chat. So 2 out of 6 is not possible. So what we do? We take some borrow from the 5. So this 5 is taking some borrow with the 2, 1. So this 2 becomes 12 and this 5 becomes 4. So now 12 minus 6. Draw the 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now putting this 4 as it is. So here is 64 minus 7. 64 minus 7. 4 out of 7 is possible? No, 4 out of 7 is not possible. So what we do for that? We are just going to take borrow from the 6. So when you're going to take some borrow from the 6, this 6 becomes 5 and this 4 becomes 14, because taking 1 out of it. So this is not become 5, this is becomes 14. So 14 minus 7, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Remove the 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These 7 lines are removed. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 are left and then you put it here. This 5 putting as it is here. We are not putting 6 here. Now we are going to write it 5. Okay. Okay, I'm going to now let's do some test questions. 27 minus 3. Let's solve it. Here it's 27 minus 3. So first of all, put 7 out of 3. Okay, draw the 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remove 3, 1, 2, and 3. How many lines which is left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 here. Okay. And now this 2 as it is you are going to put. This is 24. Let's check the answer. Is there any 24? Yes, it's here. So we go with it. 95 minus 3. Let's solve it. So here it's 95 minus 3. So first of all, we are going to put 5. We are going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now remove 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. So how many lines which is left? Only 2 lines, 1 and 2. So putting 2 here. Now here is 9, so just putting 9. That is 92. So is here 92? Yes, it's here. Option B. Let's check with it. And here is the answer. 56 minus 5. So here we're gonna put 56 minus 5. Okay, draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remove 5 lines from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many lines which is left? 1. Putting 1 here and then put this 5 here. This is 51. So let's see. Yeah, this is here 51. Now 88 minus 8. Okay. 88 minus 8. So draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cancel? You cancel the 8. Draw the 8 lines and cancel the 8 lines. All of it are cancelled. So it means that nothing is left. So it is 0. And this 8 as it is here. So the answer is 80. Let's go with it. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So solve the rest of the test questions by yourself regarding this lesson. Okay. Now let's do the next lesson. So we have covered the first 2 lessons. Now let's move to third one. Subtract a 1-digit number from 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So here is 37 minus 9. Let's do it. So it's 37 minus 9. Now you guys tell me, 7 out of 9 is possible? No, it's not possible. So what we do? We take some borrow from the 3. Okay. So this 3 becomes 2 because 1 is left. And this 7 becomes 17. Now draw the 17 lines and then subtract the 9 lines from there. Okay, let's check. Let's do it now. Draw the 17 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, remove 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, how many left? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting 8 here. And now put down this 2. Okay, this is 28. Now, let's check the next question. 83 minus 6. So here is 83 minus 6. Now, let me just put it 83 minus 6. So here 3 out of 6 is possible. Everyone tell me 3 out of 6 is possible. No, 3 out of 6 is not possible. So what we do for that? We are going to take some borrow from the 8. 8 becomes 7 and 3 becomes 13. Always when you are going to take 1, you are not adding in it. Okay, you are not going to add. You are just going to check 13 minus 6 now. Let's do it. So we are going to put it here 13 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Subtract 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines are left? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Putting 7 here. And now here 7 is left, so this 7 is here. Okay, so it's 77. For example, if I'm going to draw it here, 24 minus 6. So 4 out of 6 is possible? No, 4 out of 6 is not possible. So what we do for that? We are going to take some borrow from the 2. This 2 becomes 1 and this 4 becomes 14. Okay, this 4 becomes 14 and 2 becomes 1. So 14 minus 6. So let me put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So how many lines you subtracted? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These 6 lines are subtract. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 we are going to putting here and this one as it is here, that is 18. Okay, let's do one more question, then we go to the test questions. For example, let's do the test questions. "37 minus 9." So here it's 37 minus 9. So 7 out of 9 is possible? No. So what we do? We take some borrow from the 3. This 3 becomes 2 and this 7 becomes 17. Draw 17 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now remove 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These 9 line subtraction. Now how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Putting 8 here. Now this 2 as it is here. This is 28. Alright. Let's check. Is there any answer for 28? Yes, it's here. This is the right answer. 54 minus 5. So how can we solve it? Write the question here. 54 minus 5. So 4 out of 5 is possible? No. So what we do? We take some borrow from the 5. This 5 becomes 4. 4 becomes 14. Now draw the 14 lines. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So here we are putting 9. And now this 4 as it is. We are going to put it. That is 49. Let's check. Is there any answer for 49? Yes, it's here. So let's go with it. Now 51 minus 4. So 51 minus 4. 1 out of 4 is possible? No. So what we do? We are just going to take some borrow from the 5. This 5 becomes 4 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Remove 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So putting 7 here and now this 4 as it is. It's 47. So let's check. This is the option of 47. Let's do it with it. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So solve the rest of the test question regarding this lesson by yourself. Okay, so we have done the first 3 lessons. Now we are going to move for the fourth lesson, which is subtract two digits without regrouping. Now it's 16 minus 10 or anything there. For example, if I'm going to put it here, 16 minus 10. So 6 out of 0 is 6. If you are going to subtract any number from the 0, then you get the answer of that numbers. Like 7 minus 0, 100 minus 0, that is 100. Okay. And 1 minus 1, if you draw 1 lines, then you remove 1 lines. That is nothing. It means 0. Only 6 is your answer. Okay. So now if I'm going to draw it here, 23 minus 12. So how can you solve it? So first of all, draw 3 lines, subtract 2. Always start from your right side. Okay, draw 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. Remove 2 lines, 1 and 2. How many left? Only 1 is left. Now draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. remove this one, and how which is left? One is left. Okay, let's take some questions from there now. So the question I'm going to take 25 minus 12. Okay, so here is 25 minus 12. So let's do it. So first of all, draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove 2 lines, 1 and 2. How many lines are left? It's 1, 2, and 3. 3 lines are left, so going to put 3. Now 2 out of 1. First of all, draw 2 lines, remove 1 line. How many left? 1 is left. So you're going to put it here, 13. Okay. Let's take some another question. So here we're gonna put it 29 minus 15. So how can we solve it? First of all, we draw the 9 lines. We are going to solve these 2 digits, and then you solve these two. So first of all, 9 minus 5. When you are going to subtract 9 out of 5, what's the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 here. Okay. Now 2 out of 1. Draw 2 lines, remove 1 line. So here it's 1. So this is 14. Now let's take some questions from the test. 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13. First of all, solve these to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remove these 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. How many lines which is left? That is 1, 2, and 3. And 1 minus 1, which is 0. Okay, so 3 is your answer. Move with this. 17 minus 11. 17 minus 11. Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remove this 1 line. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Put 6 here. Now 1 minus 1, which is 0. 13 minus 10. So 3 minus 0. So here we put 3 out of 0. What is the answer of 3 minus 0? That is 3. Okay, because it's nothing, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 3 only. Just putting it here, 3. 13 minus 11. So now I'm going to put it here, 13 minus 11. Remove 1 line. How many lines are left? 1 and 2. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So only the answer is 2. 17 minus 15. 17 minus 15. So 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Remove 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many lines which is left? That is 2. 1 and 2. So putting 2 here. Now 1 minus 1, that is 0. And which is 2 is left. So we are going to put it here 2. Here we go with it. So solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Now let's move to the next lesson. So here is the last lesson, we covered it now. First 4 lesson we have done. Subtract 2 two-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. Now subtract 94 minus 66. Okay. Let's do it. 94 minus 66. So here is 4 out of 6 is possible. No, it's not possible. So this is 9 here. So this 9 becomes 8. This 4 becomes 14. Okay. So 14 out of 6. First of all, draw the 14 lines. Now we are going to draw the 14 lines and then subtraction 6 from there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you are going to put it 8 here. Now you are not going to subtract 9 out of 6. You are going to subtract 8 out of 6. Okay, let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines are left? Only 2 lines are left. So putting 2 here. This is 28. Okay. Now let's do the next. So I am going to draw a question here. 65 minus 29. So 5 out of 9 is possible? No. So what we do for that? We are going to take borrow from the 6. 6 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 50. Okay. Now draw the 15 lines. Now here I'm going to I already draw here the 15 lines. Now remove 9 lines from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These 9 lines are basically removed. How many lines are left? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So putting 5 here. Now let's move to these two. So you're going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove 2 lines from there. How many left? 1, 2, and 3. So this is 35. Okay. So here, this is the way that we are going to solve these questions. So 44 minus 26. Let's solve this one. 44 minus 26. So this 4 becomes 3, and here this 4 becomes 14, because 4 out of 6 is not possible. So draw the 14 lines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Remove 6 from there and check it out how many left. These 3 and these 3 are left, and then when we see the remaining lines, so this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are going to put it 8 here. Now 3 out of 2. What is the answer? 3 out of 2. Draw 3 lines, remove 2 lines from there, and how many left? It is only 1 line is left, that is 18. So here is your answer. Okay, let's do one more question. 92 minus 78. So 2 out of 8 is possible? No. So what we do for that? We are going to take borrow from the 9. So this 9 becomes 8. This 2 becomes 12. So 12 out of 8. Draw 12 lines. These are the 12 lines. Now remove 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 are left. Okay. Now 8 out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remove 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Only 1 is left. So this is your answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So today we discussed the grade 2 maths. The chapter name, this is the subtraction 2 digits, and here these are all the lesson names. Subtract the multiples of 10, subtract one digit number from 2-digit numbers, subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit with regrouping, then subtract 2 2-digit numbers and subtract 2-digit numbers with regrouping, with or without grouping or regrouping. Okay, so before starting the next session, you guys make sure practice all these questions, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact the tutors. This is the live chat button. Open this and check it out in which department that you need help with. Mention your name and then just send. In this way you can contact tutors easily. Okay, this is available on the A+ website. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.